Wherever you are, I hope you are well. Natural disasters and climate change on the Event Channel, you are welcome. Catastrophic floods ravage China, appalling scenes. Tens of thousands of individuals have been compelled to evacuate as China grapples with devastating floods, and there is concern that further rainfall will exacerbate the situation. This region is witnessing the worst flooding in several decades, resulting in the destruction of approximately 500,000 homes, the collapse of roads, and the sweeping away of houses. The cities of Shaoguan, Heyuan, and Meizhou in Guangdong have been particularly affected, with a similar number of people impacted. The torrential downpours have caused roads to crumble in certain city areas and have swept away houses, vehicles, and crops. Unfortunately, the forecast predicts more rain in the coming days, adding to the existing challenges. In Rangan, located in southern China's Guangxi region, a flooded street demonstrates the extent of the damage caused by heavy rainfall. In response to the dire situation, flood warnings have been issued. The Chinese authorities have recently issued a red alert, the most severe warning level, for potential mountain torrents. In the neighboring province of Zhejiang, rescue teams operating rubber dinghies have been saving residents who were trapped in their flooded villages. China frequently encounters flooding during the summer months, particularly in central and southern areas that receive substantial amounts of rainfall. This recurrent issue poses a significant challenge to the affected regions. Subscribe for more daily videos. Goodbye.